Hi friends, today we are back with a spicy dish from Maharashtra. Basically, we will be preparing a vegetable, not a vegetable actually, it is a curry which we called is as shevchi bhaji, which is made up of this kind of thick shev, and we put it on the curry and have it with a chapati. So let's see the ingredients and let's see the procedure. For this we will need 2 chopped onions, garlic, ginger and half a bowl of dry coconut. Chop it very small or else we can grate it. Now we'll start with the procedure. In the masalas we will need red chili powder and kala masala. We'll put this coconut, dry coconut. Properly we will roast it and just fry it and roast it for more 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see the color of the coconut. We have to make it in this color, dark brown. Now in the same pan we will take around 3 tablespoons of oil. Yes, little more you can put. In that oil, chopped onions, ginger and garlic. We will make the flame medium and fry it. It is almost done now. It is almost dark. I will switch off the gas and let it cool for just 5 minutes. After this 5 minutes, this onion, garlic and ginger, we will grind it along with this roasted coconut and we will grind it in the grinder. So we have make a nice paste out of it. Just putting less water we have to prepare the paste. Now we'll on the gas again. In the same pan we will put again 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Because again we have to fry this mixed grinded mixture. We'll hot the oil and after it is done, we'll put this mixture inside the kadai. So we have put that masala inside this and we will properly fry it again. It needs to be cooked properly. After cooking is done, the oil will ooze out of it. See, I'll just show you afterwards. Meanwhile, on another gas, we will boil some water which we have to put it inside this vegetable. Now you can see oil is oozing. You can see the texture also that it is getting cooked. But let it cook for more 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can properly see that the color is also changed. The onion and the paste whatever we have put is almost cooked. Oil is oozing out from the sides. Now in this we will put a little turmeric. One or 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. As this is a spicy dish, obviously you can put it more. Then 1 or 2 tablespoons of kala masala. Yes. You can see the color is getting very dark and very nice. Mix it properly. Once all the things whatever we have put are mixed properly, we will add hot water to it. See, it is almost done now. For the red color, if you want some red color to the vegetable, you can add Kashmiri Lal Mirch, so that the vegetable will get a reddish color. After it is cooked, I'll just put a little bit of hot water. We'll just try putting hot water inside it. Yes. We have to put hot water because of this, what we say, the tawang looks nice. See the consistency of the vegetable. This is very thick, so we will put more water inside it. After just a few minutes of boiling is done, we will add salt as per taste. You can see it has started boiling nicely. We will add a little bit of oil. We will add salt as per taste. And I'll just mix it once, and the color has become very nice, and the aroma, I can smell it, so yummy. The second last part of the vegetable is we have to add this shave to the curry which we made. So the curry is ready. I have served it in a plate, and I'll put shave on it. And I have put shave on it. Now it is ready to eat with chapati or with bhakri. So the yummy dish is ready to eat. It is hot and spicy. A Maharashtrian special Khandeshi style shev bhaji and chapati. Enjoy!